Well, the car's going in for a facelift today. Finally, it's snorkel day. The wife's about to start it, so she's driving this up. I'll drive the work vehicle, and we'll go drop it off. Get it sorted out. Ooh, there it is. The freaky headlights do the old freaky headlight thing. I'll see you up there.
Yeah.
ARB North Lakes. So here we are this morning. We're at ARB in North Lakes. I would have gone back to UV 4x4, but the booking schedule was way out, and they use ARB products anyway, so we're all good. Same. The wife shouldn't be far away, and we'll have this car getting dropped off to get the work done on it, which is pretty cool. I don't imagine she'll be far because I left after her and I'm here before her, so not going to say anything about women drivers. Not going to do that. Definitely not going to do that. We'll see when she turns up. Oh, here she is. She's coming in the sexy beast. Well, I think it is anyway. What you think is, feel free to share in your comments. There she is. Hello. So she's surprised that I beat her. So there we go. Car will look different after today. New snorkel, the Armax snorkel.
Hey guys, well, while Gavin's in pain for getting our new snorkel put on, I thought I'd take a minute just to show you. So we're at ARB in North Lakes. When we were originally going to get the snorkel, we were told the one that we wanted, the Safari one, wasn't going to fit. However, ARB said, bring it in, let's see what we can do, because the issue is our flare was going to be too big for the snorkel. However, surprisingly, we get to ARB and they've done an amazing job and they've made it fit. I thought I'd show you. Looks really good. Very impressed. So they've made it fit in there. Very good. Super happy. I'll have a super happy husband. Thumbs up, ARB North Lakes. Well done. Alright, I'm out.
Well, we've got a car back from ARB in North Lakes. Thanks guys, excellent work. And that is the result. We now have a snorkel. Armax. Now you will note the flare is on the car. We found out, based on reading the instructions, that the EGR flares have got no problem with the Armax snorkels. Not sure about the thinner version, but the Armax ones actually work pretty well. They actually bolt straight on, so pretty happy with that. Yeah, so the only downside to this is it's really, really loud, like quite loud. So be prepared if you get the Armax snorkel that you're going to be hearing induction noises the whole way through. So if you like the sound of sucking, you're on. Yeah, other than that, it looks good. It's functional. They've done a good job installing it. The EGR flares fit without any modifications on the Armax version. I'm not sure about the other one, but as I said before, verify that yourself. But overall, it's pretty good. That's the final product looking right there. Happy days.